Maybe you lost someone dear to you, and the grief is overwhelming and making it hard to move forward. Maybe you're feeling the pressures of raising a family, and you're worried about raising entitled kids. Maybe you're struggling with chronic health issues, and it feels like there's no end in sight. Maybe you're buried under a mountain of debt and can't seem to find a way out. Maybe you've hit a roadblock in your relationships. Maybe you've always dreamed of doing something else, but fear and self doubt are holding you back. Maybe you feel sandwiched in caring for your kids and older family loved ones. Maybe you've achieved great success, but you're still feeling empty and unfulfilled. Maybe you feel that you aren't getting anywhere in your job. Maybe you're frustrated as it's been months since you were laid off and you can't find a job. Maybe you're craving a sense of purpose and meaning in your life, but you aren't sure where to find it. If you feel all that, then me and you have a lot in common. This show might just be for you. I'm Fred. Welcome to the show where I'm going to share the challenges that I've faced that's very similar to yours and how I'm trying to get unstuck from those challenges in life. Finding a new sense of purpose so we can create a new and more beautiful life. Life is too short to be stuck. Now, this show came out of deaths, births, and rebirth. This is my newest attempt to reach out and share with you what I needed to hear. This show may not be for you, and that's okay. Maybe I can help spark a thought or two to help you find clarity in your own journey. Now, I am not a therapist. I'm not some guru of any kind. I'm just a regular dude trying to get unstuck from all the stuff that comes in life and try to enjoy life a little bit more. Let's get unstuck together from the challenges of life because life is too short to get stuck.